In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get 1080 by 1080 resolution in CS2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up 1080 by 1080 or any other custom resolution inside of Counter-Strike 2. So if I go over to the settings menu under video, I can show you that I have 1080 by 1080. So I'm going to do this on windowed mode because it is easier for me to record, but of course this will work with full screen windowed, and so on. So as you can see, the game is running on 1080 by 1080. So this isn't a native resolution. You cannot simply open the game and find it. You will have to add it as a custom resolution. You can do this by opening the AMD or NVIDIA control panel. So right click on your desktop and you will see the option here. I have an AMD GPU, so I will demonstrate this process through the AMD software. If you have NVIDIA, then it is going to be different, but essentially the steps are the same. You will go over to change resolution and follow along. But like I said, I'm going to be visually showing you how to do it through the AMD software. If you have AMD like me, click on this little settings icon, go over to display, and in here you will be able to set up the custom resolution. If you have multiple monitors, choose the specific one that you will be adding the resolution to, and then under custom resolutions, you will be able to create new. If you never use this function, you will have to read and agree with the terms, and then click on this button here, create new. Like I said before, for NVIDIA, it is similar, but the interface will be different. But usually it is going to be under change resolution and then customize. Now, the only things that you need to change are going to be resolution and timing displayed, so you don't have to change timing total. Just set the horizontal and vertical resolution here to 1080 by 1080, and then once again, timing displayed 1080, 1080. Everything else should remain untouched. You can change the refresh rate if you prefer, but usually the native refresh rate of your monitor will be selected. Then you click on the create option. Now I already have it here, 1080 by 1080 at 165 Hz. So once this is done, restart Counter-Strike 2, go to the settings, and then to find 1080 by 1080, you have to go to widescreen 16 by 10. So as you can see under 16 by 9 it is not available, under 4 by 3 it is not available, so go to widescreen 16 by 10 and you will have 1080 by 1080. Apply the changes. Of course you can choose any display mode, so full screen windowed, and you can go inside of any mode. I'm going to show you a little bit of gameplay, but you can clearly tell that it is working. The HUD will be adjusted, everything will be working, and even though I am on windowed, of course, I would try to play on full screen. I'm only doing this because otherwise it could mess with my recording, but you can clearly tell that it is working. So all that you have to do is add custom resolutions. This will work with any other game, and you can even specify different resolutions as well. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us run the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.